Welcome to Best Useful Tips. Here I will show you how to change display language in your Windows 10 PC. First of all, tap on a start button, Windows 10 in your device. Tap on setting. Here you can see Windows settings. Tap on time and languages. Tap language. Here you can see by default set Windows display language. Here you can add different language you want. Also search type a language to tap download it in your device. You can see list of different languages you want to download in your devices. Select language you want to change in your Windows 10. Tap on next. Searching language or features. Now install this language in your device. Tap on install. Now wait until download language in your devices and set it as your Windows 10 display language. You can also see detail of downloading language. Tap on option. Here you can see language pack downloading, basic typing and writing speed and other. Now back to setting. After complete download language, choose from drop down to Hindi to set your default Windows 10 language. I hope this tutorial helpful to change language on your Windows 10 PC laptop. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to get more tips.